In the next 60 seconds, you'll watch 165 million years of dinosaur evolution end in real time. This isn't Hollywood, this is physics. This is the exact sequence of events that killed the dinosaurs. The asteroid is invisible to the creatures below. They have no warning, no time to adapt, no chance to survive. In 60 seconds, the dinosaurs will be extinct. This is how it happened. 66 million years ago, Earth was a dinosaur paradise. Global temperatures 20 degrees warmer than today. No ice caps, tropical forests covering the poles. In North America, a 7-ton Tyrannosaurus rex hunts Edmontosaurs along ancient riverbeds. Triceratops herds migrate across flowering plains. Pteranodons soar overhead with 25-foot wingspans. This is the peak of dinosaur diversity, 75 million years of evolution perfecting these giants. They are Earth's undisputed rulers. But 93 million miles away, a 6-mile-wide mountain of rock and metal hurtles toward Earth at 45,000 miles per hour. It has been traveling for millions of years through the darkness of space. The dinosaurs continue their daily routines, feeding, fighting, surviving, unaware that in less than 1 minute their 165 million-year reign will end forever. They are living their last moments of existence, and they don't know it. T-minus 60 seconds to impact. The sun shines on what will become the Yucatan Peninsula. Ocean temperatures are a tropical 86 degrees Fahrenheit. A pack of Tyrannosaurus rex coordinates a hunt on a herd of Edmontosaurus. Their 6-inch teeth have evolved specifically to crush the bones of prey this large. They are perfect killing machines. 3 miles away, a family group of triceratops, adults weighing 12 tons each, protect their young from the T-Rex pack. Their 10-foot skulls and 3-foot horns evolved as weapons against exactly this threat. On the coastal cliffs, a pteranodon colony tends to their young. With wingspans larger than fighter jets, they are the undisputed masters of Cretaceous skis. Above them, 93 million miles away, the asteroid becomes visible as a bright star, moving at 12 miles per second, still undetected by the creatures below. This is their last minute of normalcy. In 60 seconds, everything will change. T-minus 30 seconds. The asteroid strikes Earth's atmosphere at 45,000 miles per hour. Atmospheric compression generates temperatures of 60,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. A plasma trail 60 miles wide illuminates the sky from Canada to South America. The compressed air in front of the asteroid creates a sonic boom that shatters the eardrums of every creature within 1,000 miles. Across North America, dinosaurs stop feeding and look skyward. The T-Rex pack abandons their hunt. The Triceratops herd huddles together. The pteranodon colony takes flight in panic. The sonic boom travels at 767 miles per hour, faster than any dinosaur can run. It announces the arrival of extinction, a warning that comes 30 seconds too late. The asteroid is now visible as a 6-mile-wide mountain falling from the sky. Its surface glows white-hot from atmospheric friction. Impact is inevitable. 30 seconds to extinction. Every creature on the continent is about to die. T-minus 10 seconds. Survival instincts kick in across the continent. The T-Rex pack attempts to flee. The Triceratops herd stampedes. The Pteranodon dive for cover. Adrenaline floods their systems. Hearts pump 200 beats per minute. Ancient survival programming screams run, but there is nowhere to go, no shelter large enough, no escape fast enough. The asteroid fills the sky. 6 miles of rock, metal, and ice traveling at 12 miles per second. Its mass equals Mount Everest traveling at 150 times the speed of sound. Impact energy, 100 million megatons, equivalent to 10 billion Hiroshima bombs detonating simultaneously. More energy than Earth receives from the sun in an entire year. In the final seconds, every dinosaur on the continent looks up at their extinction approaching. T-Rex, master predator, Triceratops, armored giant, Pteranodon, lord of the skis. Asterisk 10 seconds to impact. Evolution's greatest success story is about to end. Impact. The asteroid strikes the Yucatan Peninsula at 45,000 miles per hour. In 0.1 seconds, it penetrates 12 miles into Earth's crust, vaporizing limestone and creating the Chicxulub crater, 110 miles wide. Impact energy equivalent to 100 million megatons creates a shockwave that vaporizes everything within 1,000 miles instantly. Rock, water, dinosaurs, all converted to superheated plasma in milliseconds. The T-Rex pack, the Triceratops herd, the Pteranodon colony, vaporized before their nervous systems can register death. They become part of a plasma ball expanding at 20,000 miles per hour. A mushroom cloud 25 miles high erupts from the impact site. Trillions of tons of vaporized rock, dinosaur, and ocean water are ejected into the stratosphere at escape velocity. The shockwave expands outward at 3 miles per second. Every dinosaur on the continent feels the ground beneath them liquefy. Every tree, every mountain, every river destroyed in seconds. This is the exact moment the dinosaurs died, not from the impact, but from what comes next. T+1 minute. The shockwave triggers a magnitude 11 earthquake, stronger than any quake in recorded history. The entire planet rings like a bell struck by a cosmic hammer. Across North America, 200-foot-tall conifer forests flatten like wheat before a hurricane. Mountains collapse, valleys become peaks. The landscape reshapes itself in minutes. Ocean displacement creates tsunamis 300 feet tall, 3 times higher than any building today. These walls of water race across the Atlantic at 500 miles per hour, carrying dissolved dinosaur bone and flesh. Coastal hadrosaur colonies in Europe are swept inland by tsunamis. Sauropod herds in Africa are buried under 300 feet of water carrying North American limestone and vaporized Tyrannosaurus rex. Every continent experiences simultaneous devastation. Australia's dinosaur populations are buried under landslides triggered 8,000 miles away. Asian dinosaur species die in flash floods from earthquakes they didn't cause. In 1 minute, the shockwave has killed every large dinosaur on every continent, but the worst is yet to come. T+10 minutes. Trillions of tons of impact ejecta, molten rock, vaporized dinosaurs, superheated limestone begin raining down globally as white-hot meteors. The sky fills with molten rock fragments, each one glowing 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. They fall like burning rain across every continent. Nothing can take shelter from this global bombardment. Global temperatures spike to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit as the molten ejecta superheats the atmosphere. Every forest on Earth ignites simultaneously. Oxygen levels plummet as fires consume available air. Small mammals that survive the impact by hiding in burrows begin suffocating as oxygen burns away. Aquatic birds dive deeper, using water as protection from the superheated atmosphere. Photosynthesis stops as atmospheric pressure drops and temperatures soar beyond plant tolerance. The base of the food chain, plants, begins dying within hours. Every herbivorous dinosaur that somehow survived the impact and earthquake now faces starvation. And the global firestorm is just the beginning. T+1 hour. Dust clouds and smoke from global wildfires block 99% of sunlight. Earth plunges into nuclear winter. Global temperatures drop 50 degrees Fahrenheit in days. Without sunlight, photosynthesis stops completely. Plants begin dying within days. The remaining herbivorous dinosaur species, already starving from the firestorm, face complete food chain collapse. The few dinosaurs that survived the initial impact, earthquake, tsunami, and firestorm now wander through ash-covered wastelands in perpetual darkness. No food, no warmth, no hope. But small mammals emerge from their burrows. They can survive on fungi, decaying plant matter, and insects. Their size, once a disadvantage, becomes their salvation. Aquatic ecosystems maintain partial stability. Crocodiles, turtles, and small freshwater fish survive by eating dead organic matter floating in lakes and rivers. The dinosaurs' size made them Earth's dominant species for 165 million years. Now their size ensures their extinction. T+months to years. 75% of all species on Earth are extinct. Every dinosaur larger than 55 pounds is dead. The age of giants is over forever. The herbivores died first, no plants to eat. Then the carnivores, no herbivores to hunt. Finally, the apex predators like T-Rex, no prey species remaining. The food chain collapsed from bottom to top. The survivors share common traits: small size, ability to burrow or swim, dietary flexibility, lower metabolic requirements. They inherited a planet cleared of competition. Without dinosaurs to compete with them, mammals begin evolving into larger body sizes. In just 10 million years, they will produce giants to fill the ecological niches dinosaurs once dominated. The descendants of those small, adaptable survivors will become elephants, whales, and humans. We exist because our ancestors were small enough to hide when the sky fell. Asterisk 165 million years of dinosaur evolution ended in one day. The survivors inherited Earth not through strength, but through size. In 60 seconds, 165 million years of dinosaur evolution ended. The most successful vertebrates in Earth's history were eliminated by a single cosmic accident. The dinosaurs weren't weak. They were supremely adapted to their world, but adaptation has a cost specialization. When the world changed instantly, they couldn't change with it. The survivors were small, adaptable, and hidden. They ate anything, lived anywhere, and required little. When disaster struck, they inherited the Earth. Today, we face our own potential extinction events. Climate change, nuclear war, asteroid impacts. The question isn't whether catastrophe will come. It's whether we'll be small enough, adaptable enough, and humble enough to survive when it does. Sometimes survival isn't about being the strongest. It's about being the smallest when the sky falls.